Well, hello there. It's Crazy Cheap Chick. And tonight we're making sauteed butter potatoes with carrots and onions and garlic. It's so good. Let's get cooking. We are going to start with a bag of these petite gold gourmet potatoes. Now, I got these on the clearance rack at Dillon's for $1.99. So let's start by cutting them in half. Potatoes are cut up and in a pot, and now we're just gonna kind of half cook them, parboil them. We don't want them super soft because next we're gonna fry them in a pan after we parboil them. Next, we're gonna peel and grate a couple of carrots. I don't buy those baby carrots. I just buy them whole. Only takes a second to peel them. I think they're way fresher and better. I'm gonna cheat a little bit by using my food processor, but if you don't have a food processor, you can hand grate them, that's fine. It really adds something to this dish. It's a touch of sweetness. Okay, we're gonna drain these potatoes. We're gonna heat up some olive oil in a skillet. Now we're gonna take these potatoes and put them all face down into the hot oil. That looks delicious. I'm gonna add a little onion and garlic. Just a little garlic. Put a little seasonal if you want. Don't go crazy though. And you want to kind of keep checking them. Not quite there. Okay, let's check them. Oh yeah, that's about perfect. So now we can start turning them. Now we can add in the carrots. I'll just put a little bit of butter in there too. Oh, that's going to be so good. It smells fabulous. That's a meal in itself. We're having pork chops and candy roaster squash with this too, but this could be a standalone meal. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the recipe, subscribe for more ideas.